Hello kitchen lovers, welcome back to my channel, where we call everyone obsessed. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of kitchen faucets. Under $300, a variety of brands synonymous with quality and innovation. We'll be ranking their 5 best kitchen faucets under $300, so you can make your tough decisions easier and find the perfect match for your culinary kingdom. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to All About Kitchen Gadgets. Press the button and bell for the latest updates. So, let's get to it. Begin. Number 1. Pfister F5-9 mcgs Maisy Touchless Kitchen Faucet. The Pfister F5-9 mcgs Maisy Touchless Kitchen Faucet. It's a high-arc, single-handle faucet with a pull-down sprayer and a soap dispenser. It has a spot defense stainless steel finish that resists fingerprints and water spots. The faucet uses React Touchless technology, which allows you to turn the water on or off by simply waving your hand or an object in front of the motion sensor. It also has Smart Stop technology, which automatically shuts off the faucet after 3 minutes of inactivity to save water. Touchless kitchen faucets, also known as motion-activated or hands-free faucets, have become increasingly popular for their convenience and hygiene benefits. These faucets typically use motion sensors to detect the presence of your hands and turn the water on and off accordingly. Here are some of the features of the Pfister F5-9 mcgs Maisy Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Touchless kitchen faucet React technology lets you guide your hand or an object within 3 inches in front of the motion sensor to turn water on or off. Smart Stop technology automatically shuts off the faucet after 3 minutes of inactivity to save water. Kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer. Elegant forward handle design underscores ergonomic function and helps where space behind the faucet is limited. Includes decorative deckplate coordinating, soap dispenser, and battery pack for XAA batteries. Advanced spray head docking. MagneFit uses powerful magnetic docking to keep your spray head firmly secured. Auto Align ensures your spray head aligns correctly all on its own. High arc spout features high arc spout for added clearance and reach. 360-degree rotating spout swivels to allow for greater versatility like hand washing delicates and sink cleaning. Spot Defense finish. Spot Defense provides extra protection to help prevent the daily buildup of fingerprints, smudges, and water spots. Looks cleaner longer than other faucet finishes. Less cleaning and wiping needed. Solid Tilt Soap Dispenser features a forward tilting pump head that lets you dispense soap with the flick of your thumb. A dirty dish in one hand, sponge in the other? No problem. Solid Tilt has you covered. No more leaks forever. Seal Advanced Ceramic Disc Valve technology will never leak. Includes 36-inch integrated PRT supply lines with female fittings. Fast Connect reduces installation time and guarantees a secure connection to water supply lines. Pfister F5-9 mcgs Maisy Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: touchless convenience, Smart Stop technology, pull-down sprayer, soap dispenser, stylish design, durable construction, positive user reviews. Cons: battery dependence, installation complexity. Overall, the Pfister F5-9 mcgs Maisy Touchless Kitchen Faucet offers a combination of convenience, style, and functionality. However, the potential for a sensitive sensor, reliance on batteries, and higher price point are factors to consider. Weighing the pros and cons against your individual needs and budget will help you decide if this faucet is the right choice for your kitchen. Number 2. Kohler Belera K560 vs. Pull-Down Kitchen Sink Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer. 3-spray faucet, vibrant stainless kitchen faucet. The Kohler Belera K560 vs. Pull-Down Kitchen Sink Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer. 3-spray faucet, vibrant stainless kitchen faucet combines an elegant, versatile design with exceptional ergonomics and functionality. The high arch spout rotates 360 degrees and reaches over the tallest pots, while the compact 3-function spray head pulls down into the sink for up close tasks or out of the sink to fill pots. Sweep spray creates a wide, forceful blade of water for superior cleaning. Kohler's new docking system, Docnetic, secures the pull-down spray head to the spout using magnetic force. Here are some general things I can tell you about Kohler faucets. Kohler is a well-respected brand known for its high quality and stylish faucets. Their faucets come in a variety of styles and finishes to match any decor. They offer a wide range of features such as touchless operation, pull-down sprayers, and temperature control. Here are some of the specific features about the Kohler Belera K560 versus Kitchen Faucet. Pull-down kitchen faucet allows you to control water with one hand and reaches beyond the sink to complete other kitchen tasks. 3-function spray head includes stream, boost, and sweep spray technologies. Boost allows you to increase flow rate by 30%. Sweep spray has angled nozzles that create a powerful blade to clean your dishes and sink. Easy install, hose and spray head pre-installed. Comes with flexible supply lines for easy water hookup. 1 or 3-hole installation with escutcheon or deck plate included. Magnetic docking. Docnetic magnetic docking system securely locks the spray head into place. Made to last, ceramic disc valves exceed industry standards of longevity, performance that is made to last the life in your kitchen. Lasting finish. Our premium corrosion and tarnish resistant finishes are made to last. Lifetime limited warranty. Have the confidence in Kohler faucet products knowing they are backed by our lifetime limited warranty. Here are some additional things to consider before purchasing the Kohler Belera K560 versus. The faucet is available in a variety of finishes, including polished chrome, brushed nickel, and stainless steel. The faucet has a flow rate of 1.5 gallons per minute GPM. The faucet has a spout reach of 8 inches. The faucet has a height of 14 inches. The faucet is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Kohler Belera K560 versus. Pros: sleek, modern design, available in a variety of finishes, WaterSense certified, pull-down sprayer for easy cleaning, high-quality construction, easy to install. Cons: some users have reported problems with the sprayer, not as durable as some other faucets. Overall, the Kohler Belera K560 versus is a high-quality kitchen faucet with a sleek, modern design. It is WaterSense certified and has a pull-down sprayer for easy cleaning. However, it can be expensive and some users have reported problems with the sprayer. Number 3. Moen Riley Spot Resist Stainless 7402 EU Senior S Kitchen Faucet. The Moen Riley Spot Resist Stainless 7402 EU Senior S is a kitchen faucet that features a touchless sensor for hands-free activation, a spot resist stainless finish that resists fingerprints and water spots, and power clean spray technology that provides 50% more spray power than most other Moen faucets. It also has a pull-down spray head with reflex system for smooth operation and secure docking. Here are the key features and details of the Moen Riley Spot Resist Stainless 7402 EU Senior S Kitchen Faucet. Touchless convenience. Motion Sense Wave technology enables hands-free activation with a simple wave of your hand, promoting hygiene and cleanliness. Cleaning and performance. Power Clean Spray technology provides 50% more spray power than standard Moen sprays for tackling tough messes effortlessly. Pull-down spray head with retractable hose offers extended reach and flexibility for cleaning large pots, pans, and sink areas. Finish and design. Spot Resist Stainless Steel Finish resists fingerprints and water spots for a pristine look that endures. Sleek, high-arc design provides ample clearance for filling tall containers and adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Ease of use and installation. Single-handle control allows effortless adjustment of water temperature and flow with one hand. Reflex system ensures smooth and easy pull-down operation of the spray head. Duralock Quick Connect system simplifies installation for a hassle-free DIY project. Additional features: deck mount installation for a clean and streamlined look, limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Other details: The faucet comes with a pre-assembled braided supply line for easier installation. The spray head features a magnetic docking system for secure placement. The faucet is ADA compliant. Moen offers a variety of compatible accessories, such as soap dispensers and pot fillers to complete your kitchen look. Additional points to consider: faucet height and reach. Make sure the faucet height and spout reach are for your sink size and countertop depth to avoid splashing or difficulty filling tall containers. Installation requirements. Check the installation requirements to ensure you have the necessary tools and skills for a DIY installation, or factor in the cost of hiring a plumber. Here is a summary of the pros and cons of the Moen Riley Spot Resist Stainless Hands-Free Touchless Sensor Single Handle Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet 740 Senior S 3/8 inch. Pros: convenience and hygiene. The touchless sensor activation promotes hygiene and reduces the spread of germs, especially useful for messy tasks like cleaning raw meat or washing dishes. Powerful cleaning. The Power Clean spray technology delivers 50% more spray power than standard Moen sprays, making it effective for tackling tough messes and rinsing away food debris. Stylish design. The sleek, high-arc design with a spot-resist stainless steel finish adds a modern and sophisticated touch to any kitchen. Ease of use. The single-handle control and smooth pull-down operation with the reflex system make it easy to adjust water temperature and flow, even with soapy hands. Durability and warranty. Moen's limited lifetime warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that the faucet is built to last. Cons: battery dependence. The faucet relies on batteries for the sensor to function, which means you'll need to replace them periodically. Ultimately, the Moen Riley Spot Resist Stainless 740 Senior S is a high-tech faucet with a modern design and convenient features. If you prioritize a touchless experience, a clean-looking finish, and powerful cleaning performance, this faucet could be a great choice. However, be aware of the potential downsides like battery replacement and the learning curve with the sensor. Number 4. Kraus KPF 1690 BGM Brit Pre-Rinse Commercial Kitchen Faucet. The Brit Commercial Faucet blends performance and style to help you build the kitchen of your dreams. The sleek contemporary design features a commercial-style open-coil spring spout with flexible hose and secure docking arm. The 3-function spray head optimizes your workflow by allowing you to switch from a steady aerated stream for aerated cleaning to a powerful spray for blasting away stubborn food residue, or to pause the flow of water with the touch of a large non-slip rubber button. Soft rubber nozzles make the spray face easy to clean and maintain a lasting, powerful flow. Available in multiple flawless finish options, including all bright spot-free stainless steel finish, which helps to prevent fingerprints and requires less cleaning. Here are some of the specific features about the Kraus KPF 1690 BGM Brit Pre-Rinse Commercial Kitchen Faucet. Commercial-style faucet is both flexible and functional, with a heavy-duty open-coil spring spout for an industrial look. High-arc spout with stainless steel hose offers increased sprayer mobility with ample room for large pots and tall pitchers. Two-tone brushed gold or matte black finish creates a striking, modern look with a rich, warm feel. Wear-resistant finish will not fade or tarnish over time. Available in multiple finish options so you can create a look you love. 3-function spray head with large non-slip rubber button switches between aerated stream for everyday cleaning to powerful spray for heavy-duty rinsing to pausing the flow of water. Docking arm with holder keeps flexible spring sprayer securely in place. Smart handle design. Single handle operates with 90-degree forward rotation, allowing for installation in tighter spaces with no backsplash clearance needed. Premium ceramic cartridge provides long-lasting leak-free use. Spout swivels 360 degrees for a full range of motion. Faucet dimensions. Faucet height 20 and 5/8 in, spout height 6 and 3/8 in, spout reach 8.5 in, flow rate 1.8 GPM. Lifetime limited warranty. Satisfaction guaranteed with top-rated customer service that always puts you first. Here is a summary of the pros and cons of the Kraus KPF 1690 BGM Brit Pre-Rinse Commercial Kitchen Faucet. Pros: commercial style design, 3-function spray head, durable construction, easy to clean, lifetime warranty. Cons: large size, high price. Overall, the Kraus KPF 1690 BGM Brit Pre-Rinse Commercial Kitchen Faucet is a well-made and stylish faucet that is perfect for busy kitchens. However, it is important to consider the size, price, and installation difficulty before making a purchase. Number 5. Delta Ontoni 18803 Speed DC Pull Down Sprayer Kitchen Faucet. The Delta Ontoni 18803 Speed DC Pull Down Sprayer Kitchen Faucet Delta Magnetite docking uses a powerful integrated magnet to set your pull-down sprayer precisely into place and hold it there so it stays docked when not in use. Delta Spot Shield technology helps to keep your kitchen faucet cleaner, longer by resisting water spots and fingerprints. Keep your space spotless with Spot Shield technology, available across a variety of finishes for the kitchen and bath. Delta kitchen faucets with diamond seal technology perform like new for life with a patented design which reduces leak points, is less hassle to install, and lasts twice as long as the industry standard. You can install with confidence, knowing that Delta kitchen faucets are backed by our lifetime limited warranty. Here are some of the specific features I love about the Delta Ontoni 18803 Speed DC Pull Down Sprayer Kitchen Faucet. Lasts 2x longer, patented diamond seal technology reduces leak points and lasts twice as long as the industry standard, ensuring leak-free operation for the life of the kitchen sink faucet. Industry standard is based on ASME 112/18, 1 of 500,000 cycles. Magnetic docking. Magnetite docking uses a powerful magnet to snap your kitchen sprayer into place so it stays docked and doesn't droop over time like other kitchen faucets. Easy installation, designed to fit single-hole or 3-hole, 8-inch configurations. Everything you need is together in one box, including an optional deck plate for 3-hole installation and Inaflex PEX supply lines that are integrated into the faucet for one less leak point. Commercial style design. The casual, yet modern Ontoni kitchen faucet provides a contemporary design in Spot Shield stainless finish that resists water spots and fingerprints. ADA compliant. The high arc gooseneck design swivels 360 degrees with a 20-inch flexible hose reach for added convenience during everyday kitchen tasks, hot or cold indicator markings. Delta Ontoni 18803 Speed DC Pull Down Sprayer Kitchen Faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: magnetite docking, Spot Shield technology, diamond seal technology, single handle design, pull down sprayer, 2-function spray, high arc spout, 360-degree swivel, lifetime limited warranty, stylish design, generally positive user reviews. Cons: installation, sprayer head, limited reach. Ultimately, the decision depends on your priorities and budget. If you value high-quality materials, innovative features, and a sleek design, and are willing to invest, the Delta Ontoni 18803 Speed DC could be a great choice. However, if budget is a primary concern or you require a longer reach alternative, options might be more suitable. And there you have it, our ranking of the best top 5 kitchen faucets under 300. Whether you're aiming for a modern, minimalist, or classic vibe in your kitchen, the best top 5 kitchen faucets under 300 have you covered. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home improvement content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!